Hi ladies, Tony Fugate with Mary Kay Skincare. This is part 1, Skincare 101, how to take care of your skin. 4-in-1 cleanser in combination to oily skin. Now why is it 4-in-1? Anti-aging, it cleanses and exfoliates and tones your skin. So 4 things in one. You can get it in combination or oily or normal skin. Make sure that you are washing your skin every morning when you wake up to get all the impurities off your face after you've been sleeping, and every day before you go to bed to get off your makeup, to get off pollution from the environment. It is very important. And you can't clean off your skin properly until you get the makeup off. So, Mary Kay to the rescue once again. Oil-free eye makeup remover. Doesn't take much. All the links will be in the description box below. Please click on the links. It'll take you to my personal website. Just because you're a girl, it does not mean that you automatically know all these things. You do have to learn them. And taking care of your skin is much more important than learning makeup trends and techniques. So take your eye makeup off first. Look how much comes off in one swoop. And then I use the other side to take off the lipstick. Now when you use the cleanser, upward circles. Your skin are like scales, okay? And you have to get them clean by moving in upward circles. I don't know if you can see the nice beads in there. Those are the exfoliant beads. The combination is clear. So when you wash your face, upward circles. Look how much lather. 2 minutes in the morning, 2 minutes at night. You want to follow it up with your moisturizer. That'll be the next one. If you still have a little bit of eye makeup left underneath, it's okay to go ahead and go back with a little bit of the eye makeup remover. Please do not go to sleep with that eye makeup residual on your face. That only leads to breakouts, that only leads to clogged pores. Have a great day, light to you all.